Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing with 5-minute decluttering at home. 1. Clear a small junk drawer. Quickly sort through one kitchen, desk, or nightstand drawer. Remove trash, expired coupons, or items that don't belong. 2. Edit one shelf in the fridge. Wipe it down, toss the expired foods, and group similar items together for easy grabbing. Number 3, declutter a car door pocket. You know, the pocket in your car door or any pocket anywhere if you don't have that, or your glove box. Remove the trash, organize documents, and add only what is necessary, what you truly need while driving. Number 4, sort a small stack of papers. Quickly decide whether it needs to be filed, shredded, recycled. No lingering piles. Number 5, tidy up a laundry basket of clean clothes. Fold or hang and put them away so laundry doesn't turn into a big pile of clutter or that doom pile of laundry. Number 6, declutter your makeup bag or toiletry caddy. Toss old products, clean the spills, and group by type like lipstick, face, eyes, so that you can find what you need. Number 7, organize the coffee or the tea station. Toss that the stale pods or the tea bags, wipe the counter, and refill the jars or containers. Number 8, go through a bin or a basket in the entryway. Shoes, hats, stray items. Decide what stays, goes elsewhere, or needs to be donated. Number 9, edit one digital folder. Delete the duplicates. Rename the files that need to be renamed clearly, and move keepers into the proper folders. Maybe they're not in folders yet. Number 10, declutter a small hobby or craft area. Clear one small container or a section grouping like with like for next time. Now, if you want, I can also make a side-by-side chart that clearly shows which items belong in a 1-minute organizing or 5-minute organizing. Just let me know and we can put that together for you. All right, guys, thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next one.